Yes, very good morning, dear students. Today I am going to teach Vyanjan, Ta to Na, consonants, Ta to Na. I will explain once again Swarakshar. I am going to explain once again Swarakshar, vowels and with consonants. What is the first letter Swarakshar? First letter is A letter. What is this letter? A. Take finger space, give finger space and write next letter A. How to observe the pronunciation also properly. How to listen here. First A. Take finger space. Next Swarakshar A. Listen here properly. A. Give finger space. Yes. What is this letter? E. 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 E after next letter is U. 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 Give finger space. Re. A. I. O. O. Yes, listen here. Swarakshar. A. A. E. E. U. U. Re. A. I. O. O. How many letters are there? Let's count it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Swarakshar, how many letters are there? 11. 11 अक्षर होते हैं स्वराक्षर. Vowels, how many letters are there? 11 letters are there. Swarakshar are vowels. Yes. Ayogva, how many letters are there? Ayogva, 2 letters are there. Anuswar, what is this letter? A. How to mention it in up? See, observe here. How to mention here on up on dot. What is this letter? We call Anuswar. Anuswar, what is that letter? Next one, Visarg. A. How to mention in middle? 2 dots. See, observe here. A letter. In middle, how to observe here? 2 dot is there. What is this letter? Aha. Yes, Ayogva. 2 letters are there. Anuswar, Visarg, Aha. See here, observe here students. Swarakshar vowels. See, 11 letters are there. स्वराक्षर में कितने अक्षर होते हैं? स्वराक्षर में 11 लेटर्स आर देयर. अयोगुहा में 2 लेटर्स. अयोगुहा में 2 अक्षर होते हैं. वो है अहा. अनुस्वर विसर्ग अहा. स्वराक्षर एंड अयोगुहा के बाद में हमें कॉन्सोनेंट्स व्यंजन सीखते हैं. व्यंजनाक्षर कौन कौन सा है? हाउ टू ऑब्जर्व. आप बोर्ड देखिए और सीखिए. हाउ टू लुक एट द बोर्ड एंड ऑब्जर्व हाउ कैन यू राइट द व्यंजनाक्षर लेटर्स. यस. स्टैंडिंग लाइन, सर्कल, curve. How to don't touch the line. Standing line, how to don't touch. How to give little bit space. Curve. And right here sleeping line. Yes, what is this letter? Ka. How to write here? Number 2. Standing line, how to touch the line. Standing line, how to mention here? In middle, small circle. How to write in up? Sleeping line. Yes, what is this letter? Kha. How to observe your pronunciation also. Kha. Ka. Kha. Standing line. Small circle. How to give little bit space. How to give little bit length. Standing line. How to observe here. Give little bit length here. Standing line. One more standing line. How to give space. Little bit space. How to give. Sleeping line. Yes. What is this letter? Ga. Ga. Ulta 3. Standing line. Sleeping line. Ulta 3. Standing line. Sleeping line. Yes. What is this letter? Gha. Gha. Ka. Kha. Ga. Gha. Small standing line. In down only have to write English alphabet. Yes, yes. In middle only have to write here. Mention here one dot. Dot. How to observe here dot. Sleeping line. What is this letter? Nya. Nya. Ka. Kha. Ga. Gha. Nya. See, look at here once again. Ka. Kha. Ga. Gha. Nya. Next, Vyanjanakshar. Sleeping line. How to observe your symbol? Upward curve. Upward curve. In curved line only have to write here standing line. Standing line. Yes. In up only have to mention here sleeping line. Sleeping line. Upward curve. How to make here only standing line and sleeping line. Yes. What is this letter? Cha. Yes. Ulta 3. How to take little bit curve line in up. Up. How to make it circle. Standing line. Sleeping line. How to mention in ulta 3. Give little bit up in curve. Make it circle. Circle. Small. Standing line. Sleeping line. Yes. What is this letter? Cha. 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 No English alphabet U. What can we write U letter? U. Sleeping line. Standing line. Sleeping line. Ja. What is this letter? Ja. Small standing line. English alphabet S. How to observe here? Circle. Tail. See, observe here. Sleeping line. Standing line. Sleeping line. What is this letter? Jha. 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 Cha. Cha. Ja. Jha. Ulta C. In middle only have to mention here sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. Yes. What is this letter? Nya. Nya. Yes, look at it once again. Ka, kha, ga, gha, nya, cha, cha, ja, jha, nya. Yes, next Vyanjanakshar, next consonants letter ta. Small standing line, English alphabet C, English alphabet letter C, sleeping line. Yes, what is this letter? Ta. Ta. Small standing line. In down only have to write here English alphabet C. In up only have to mention here sleeping line. Ta letter. Ta. Small standing line. In down only have to write here circle. Circle. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Ta. Ta. Small standing line. English alphabet S. Sleeping line. What is this letter? Da. Da. Small standing line. English alphabet C. To make it small circle. How to observe here? And only have to make right here small circle. Sleeping line. What is this letter? Dha. Dha. Yes. Upward curve. How to give little bit space and write here standing line. Sleeping line. Yes. What is this letter? Na. Na. Yes. Look at the board. Ka, kha, ga, gha, nya, cha, cha, ja, jha, nya, ta, tha, da, dha, na. Next Vyanjanakshar ta letter. See here students. Standing line. Standing line. In standing line. In middle we have to write here sleeping line. First have to write here standing line. In middle only have to write here sleeping line, and write here small curve. Small curve. In up only have to mention here sleeping line. Yes, what is this letter? Ta. What is this letter? Ta. See once again. Standing line. In middle only have to mention here sleeping line. Sleeping line. How to write here small curve. Don't touch this line. Standing line don't touch. How to give space, little bit space. Give here small curve. In up only how to mention here sleeping line. What is this letter? Ta. Ta. See here small circle. How to write here first a small circle, small curve, small curve. Next reverse curve, reverse curve, and then arch. Arch. Standing line, standing line, sleeping line. Yes, what is this letter? Tha. Tha. See here circle, small circle, curve, curve. Yes, reverse curve, right arch, arch, standing line, sleeping line. Yes, tha. See here circle, curve, reverse curve, curve, arch, standing line, sleeping line. How to give space here? Standing, sleeping line. Tha. Standing line, English alphabet C. C. Circle, circle, tile, tile, sleeping line. What is this letter? Da. See here standing line, alphabet C, small circle, tail. Enough how to mention here sleeping line. What is this letter? Da. Small circle, curve. How to mention here only one more curve. How to give little bit up that curve. Standing line, sleeping line. Yes. What is this letter? Dha. Dha. See here small circle, up curve, one more curve, standing line, sleeping line. What is this letter? Dha. Dha. Standing line. In middle only how to write here sleeping line, sleeping line. In sleeping line only how to mention here small circle. In up only how to mention here sleeping line. Yes. What is this letter? Na. See here standing line, in middle sleeping line, small circle. In up only how to mention here sleeping line. What is this letter? Na. See here ta, ta, tha, ta, tha, da, dha, na. See here ta, tha, da, dha, na. See here I'll write some words with meaning. था से शुरू होने वाले शब्द और उनके अर्थ. सी था से तरबूज, ता से तरबूज, ता, रा, बा, ऊ की मात्रा झा, झा, ता, रा, बा, ऊ की मात्रा जा, तरबूज, तरबूज. तरबूज मीन्स watermelon. See here ता से तरबूज, तरबूज मीन्स watermelon. TER watermelon. ता से तकिया, ता का ई की मात्रा या आ की मात्रा, तकिया. How to orally practice? Takiya means pillow. Pillow. PILLOW, pillow. See here, ta, sa, la, a की मात्रा. Tasla means big metal container. BIG, big, METAL, metal container. CONTAINER, container. Yes. Talna means fry. Ta, la, na, a की मात्रा. Talna means FRY, fry. था से थर्मस, ता रा मा सा, थर्मस मीन्स फ्लास्क, FLASK, फ्लास्क. यस. था से थर्मामीटर, ता रा मा आ की मात्रा, मा ई की मात्रा, टारा, थर्मामीटर. सी इन इंग्लिश मीनिंग आल्सो थर्मामीटर only. THERMOMETER, थर्मोमीटर. था से थन ಅಂದರೆ ಕೆಚ್ಚಲು, ಹಸುವಿನ ಕೆಚ್ಚಲು. ಅಡರ್, UTDER, ಅಡರ್. ಎಸ್. ತಾ से ಥಪಕಿ, ತಾ ಪಾ ಕಾ ಈ की ಮಾತ್ರ, ಥಪಕಿ. DAB, ಡ್ಯಾಬ್. ತಟ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಮಗು ಮನಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ತಪಕಿ. ತಪಕಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಬ್, ತಪಕಿ. ಸಿ. दा से दरवाज़ा, दा रा वा आ की मात्रा, चा आ की मात्रा. दरवाज़ा मीन्स डोर, DOOR, डोर. दर्जी, दा रा जा ई की मात्रा, दर्जी मीन्स टाइलर, TAILOR, टाइलर. दा पा, दिस वन रेफ की मात्रा. You will read in next class. दर्पण. See here, na, darpan means mirror. See here, darpan, mirror. Dawai means medicine. Dawat means ink pot. Dawat, ink pot. See here, da से धनिया means coriander. दा से धन means money. दा से धब्बा means dust, stain. दा से धरती means land. ಕೊರಿಯಂಡರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೊತ್ತಂಬರಿ ಸೊಪ್ಪು. ಮನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಣ ಅಥವಾ ದುಡ್ಡು. ದ ಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಲೆ. ಯಾವುದಾರ ಪುಸ್ತಕದ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾರು ಕಲೆ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಲೆನೇ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಸ್ಟೈನ್, ಧಬ್ಬ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಧರತಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ನಾ से नल means tap. ना से नारियल means coconut. ना से नदी means river. ना से नमक means salt. Understood students? How to consonants ता to ना और उनके शब्द. Yes students, how to practice well? स्वराक्षर, व्यंजनाक्षर, का टू ना व्यंजनाक्षर और उनके शब्द. व्यंजनाक्षर, consonants and their words with meanings. Practice well students. Have a nice day.